Oh my god! Gamli! Hvað? Þú fucking varst að móa the launch. Ég planta default fyrir hérna Pallas, einhver farinn. Takk shit. Þeir shit. Planta default ekki fyrir þig. Nice! Komið glós.
It just takes some time, little girl, in a little out the right. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright. Hey, you know they're all
Annar backside.
You know you're doing better on your
Views.
own. So don't buy in. Live right now.
Bang!
Just be yourself. It doesn't matter if it's good
Ég bara með spot.
for someone else. It just
Ég
takes
rífur
some
bara.
time, little girl, in a little out the right. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright. It just takes some time, little girl, in a little out the right.
Hann hann dauður.
Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright.
Þegar ég aðgráða mig. This video is sponsored by Legitimate Gaming Corp. If you are the type of guy who likes to suck dick, get fucked in the ass, and then pay for that service, then look no further. They got you covered at Cocksucker Casino, where the house will fuck you, rob you, and leave you wanting more. They have just released a new game mode Rock, Paper, No Scissors, Locked. Try out the new full of suspense actions available such as Rock, Paper, but not Scissors though. House gots to have an edge, that's just business. And don't forget to try out the old games Mega Wheel and Dice. Lost last time? Make it all back in Backshots. This video is sponsored by Legitimate Gaming Corp. Disclaimer, you cannot win money on this website and all your data is sold to offshore companies who do not disclose their purposeful operation.